Hi! In front of me is Nokia X20 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings. Following that, choose Connected Devices and select Pair New Device. Over here you need to wait for the available ones and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now we need to wait for the pop-up and select Pair. After that, wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on this little gear icon next to the connected device and then choosing Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!